I'm now behind the wheel of a very special car. It's an arena red Porsche 911 Turbo S with the model year 1997. Now, we haven't been able to confirm it with the factory yet, but we believe that only 2 cars were ever built in this color combination. It's absolutely striking. But a Porsche is all about the driving experience and the fantastic twin turbocharged engine. So let's fire it up. Now that's what I'm talking about. 450 horsepower at work, an absolutely amazing sound. This car runs beautifully, and it's an absolutely fantastic place to be.